KyberSwap Crypto Swap Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to KyberSwap are available in the description below. In this video, we'll break down KyberSwap, a decentralized exchange DEX and automated market maker, AMM, designed for efficient token swaps, liquidity provision, and low slippage trading. Built on the Kyber network, KyberSwap is tailored for DeFi traders, liquidity providers, and yield farmers looking for the best rates across multiple liquidity sources. Unlike traditional AMMs, KyberSwap integrates dynamic trade routing to ensure users always get the best price by aggregating liquidity from various protocols. One of KyberSwap's key features is dynamic market making, DMM, an upgrade over traditional AMMs that adjusts liquidity provider fees based on market conditions. This means lower fees during low volatility and higher fees during periods of intense trading, maximizing profits for liquidity providers while keeping swap costs low for traders. Additionally, KyberSwap's aggregator searches across multiple DEX to offer the most capital-efficient trade routes, reducing price impact and slippage for large transactions. For liquidity providers, KyberSwap offers concentrated liquidity, allowing them to allocate capital to specific price ranges, similar to Uniswap v3. This ensures higher capital efficiency, meaning providers earn more fees with less capital deployed. Yield farmers can also take advantage of liquidity mining programs, staking LP tokens to earn rewards on supported chains like Ethereum, Polygon, BSC, and Avalanche. Security is another strong point. KyberSwap has undergone multiple audits and implements anti-sniping protection for fair and secure trading. Its multi-chain support allows seamless swaps across leading blockchains, making it a great option for DeFi users looking to maximize opportunities in different ecosystems. Overall, KyberSwap is built for efficient trading, liquidity optimization, and cross-chain token swapping with low fees and high rewards for liquidity providers. Whether you're a trader looking for the best swap rates, a yield farmer searching for high APYs, or a DeFi investor wanting to optimize liquidity, KyberSwap is a solid choice. Check out the links in the description to explore it further.